Welcome to another episode of Generan Speaks. Today we're going to talk about the atoms, talking about our bodies and the elements that is found within our bodies. We're going to talk about the table of atomic elements. Please understand that there are 92 complex patterns by which spirit or consciousness is manifested. What we call matter is not separate from spirituality. So much of what is in nature helps to create these noble elements. For example, krypton, radon. Those of you who are into physics and so on, you'll understand what I'm talking about. But it's through these elements that equilibrium is formed. We're not separate and apart from these elements or the ways in which our equilibrium is formed. So if we understand that our body is made up of these cells and understand the power that we generate as human beings, then we will stop being afraid, stop treating other people as if they're more powerful than us. You see, in our body, there's a force of electricity, natural force of electricity. Nature of reality is produced through waves and particles. When you hear about protons, understand that these waves and particles, they exist as this multidimensional fold within our bodies. So the cells in our bodies are made up of atoms. And even when we are sleeping, negative and positive voltage inside our body works to activate these cells. We, as human beings, are conductor of energy. So, for example, if there's like 50 trillion cells within our body, which could equate to 1.4 volt of electricity that surge through us, our heart being one of the strongest electronic or electromagnetic energy fields. So, in understanding the power that we have inside of us, electrical power that is generated from our cells and the atoms within us, will help us to understand that the senses we have will give us access to these subtle information that are available in the society. But most of us are plugged in. We're not aware of we're not conscious of the power that we carry within us. So there has to be a reunion of spirit and matter. It is fundamental to helping us understand the transition that we go through from time to time. Matter is not devoid of spirit or sacredness. The material is not important. Matter is spiritual and must therefore be treated as something that is holy. Everything is regulated. Our electromagnetic energy shows, for example, when you say, we are in a toxic relationship with somebody, when you go into a space with someone who we consider to be toxic, it's because their negative energy that they're letting off, meets yours. You're picking up on that negativity, that negative energy meeting yours. And so you feel this bad vibe about someone that you don't even know. So we have to be aware of our environment and understand that the atomic energy that exists within us can be creative and it can also be destructive. And if you don't know, very shortly you will know.